Before the start of the video, I would like to ask you to like and subscribe to my channel. Alarming snowstorms covered the South Pole, enveloping our research station in a blanket of icy darkness. We, a group of brave scientists, proudly observed the wonders of Antarctica, never suspecting that we would soon discover an unimaginable, terrifying truth lurking in this desolation for many years. Our expedition meticulously documented the surrounding environment and explored the unknown expanses of this frozen continent. But one day, when the group of scientists ventured into the depths of Antarctica to study centuries-old hidden ice vaults, they disappeared without a trace. Horror consumed us when we found the last recordings of our vanished colleagues. In these recordings, they describe something dreadful and incomprehensible awaiting them in the darkness of the labyrinthine ice caves. The creature had the ability to change its form, disguising itself as ordinary objects and thus evading. It fed on our fears and exhaustion, capable of infiltrating people's minds and even assuming the appearance of loved ones. These final recordings describe the horrendous things that happened to the missing scientist until the station's poisoned air became irreversibly inhabited. It became clear that something unknown, unimaginable, and hidden within the remains of the Antarctic ice had infiltrated our familiar spaces. A sense of paranoia and anxiety filled every room as our team remained on guard in this remote frozen land. Gradually, we began to notice subtle changes in the surrounding environment. Objects moved without apparent explanation. Sounds seemingly insignificant at first filled our ears. Mirrors, once appearing normal, distorted our reflections as if something else hid within the depths of the glass. Expedition members started seeing the ghosts of their loved ones, both living and dead, with each encounter pushing them closer to madness. Panic started engulfing every member of our team. Reason and consciousness became unreliable conversationalists, and it seemed as if someone or something was constantly watching us. Every hour spent here was a cursed, tormenting truth. However, despite all the dangers that awaited each of us, some of the strong-willed individuals within our station found pleasure in exploring what was happening. The allure of this creature's power proved so intoxicating that a kind of cult emerged among the scientists, transformed into worship of this unknown entity. But there were a few resilient souls who resisted the deception and did not believe in the illusions created by the creature. They were determined to confront this evil and find a way to destroy it. In the atmosphere of universal chaos and fear, a small group of scientists performed a ritual in the depths of the night using special artifacts found in the icy storage. We created a radiation device capable of inflicting irreparable damage to the creature, trying to track down the lair of this ancient evil. Facing incredible trials, this small group of scientists finally managed to identify and neutralize the creature. The unknown entity perished in agony, leaving behind only mysterious but suddenly, multiple rustling sounds emanated from the ventilation. They realized that we were almost drained of strength, and we fully understood that reality had disappeared. Desire and torment had now become an integral part of us. We condemned ourselves to a plunge into the abyss of despair and decided that no one would ever hear from us again, because the hunger for visibility and truth swallowed our being.